sections. Once we get on here, there's nobody on here.
Yeah.
So we're at the bottom. Until somebody comes down.
Until everybody comes down, hold it down. Well, not hardly, but I'm just saying.
Should everybody's waiting to sleep.
It's warm outside. Glad I got all my pants. Winter's coming.
Oh, what are my purses? Oh, wait, I can't believe that happened to me. I kind of figured they were real mean.
Yeah.
I didn't think it was China.
When I saw shipping market.
Well, you're the one that told me.
Cross-border consolidation.
Young or something, because that's China. I'm like, and that's the first things that I got. And so last time when I had more time, I was looking at, but those reviews aren't anywhere. You have to actually pull up. Great, and because I don't know how I got into it. I started to reviews. I'm like, oh my god. As long as I get something, because I paid for something, as long as I get something. And one of them actually went through Facebook, but she was kind of scared. And I said, no, I just Google.
10.
We went to 10.
Yeah.
Christian. We're going to wait for elevator forever.
Okay, all right.
I mean, you want to go out, I want to go to the elevator. Because
No,
we're
that's
going
all
to
right.
wait
That's all
forever.
right. Chapel in the sky.
Chapel in the sky?
Chapel in the sky.
It could be a chapel in the sky.
Another chapel.
No. I could have gone, but I just don't like waiting for these damn elevators.
Yeah.
It takes too long. The elevators. These stops are very floor.